Power supply powered on, then voltage dropped. This time this activation signal will not work. Yes, this is problem. If I will connect green to black, it will not work, because it will work only in that condition when we have 12 volt output here. HP 12 volt 180 watt power supply not turning on. Let's fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are unisolated live voltage. Take care for the safety. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. 12 volt output power supply with active PFC control. This power supply don't have 5 volt standby, just PG signal, that is gray wire, and green wire. Green wire is activation signal. When you will plug in, directly 12 volt will reach at output. Fan will remain off just only when we want to start function. Green wire is pulled down to ground level. That time fan will start. Let's check it and see what's wrong here. Its model number is 901771-002. 12 volt 14.88 ampere 180 watt output. Just only one output. Input 100 volt to 240 volt, 50 or 60 hertz. I will apply power using series lamp. Yes, it took first start. Output dropped. Power supply powered on, then voltage dropped. This time this activation signal will not work. If I will connect green to black, it will not work, because it will work only in that condition when we have 12 volt output here. So this is the problem in this power supply. Turns on and output stops. Never touch any component when power is applied or power is disconnected until we will verify voltage on its smoothing capacitor. This capacitor. DC voltage 6.6 volt. DC voltage this time PFC section not started. AC voltage 237 volt AC. 237 multiply with 1.414, 335 volts. Let's verify it again. DC voltage 340 That's okay. 335, 337, that's great. If PFC section is started, that time it will reach around 380 volt, 400 volt. It is discharging. TEA19162 PFC controller, TEA19 main power supply converter, TEA19161. First we will locate its feedback section, that is for enabling, because it is turning on. This 19161 has digital control. It is providing output. That is the first indication. And then it will give feedback from this section. When circuit is okay, it will remain on. Or maybe any protection, that will disable this IC. SY1202, this is supervisor IC. (817B) optocouplers for feedback and output enabled. This is for PG, power good signal, and here we have one feedback. It is 431, TL431 817. This is for this IC. The second optocoupler for this IC. And this is for PG signal, because its drive side is here and this is output side. DC voltage. Here are output capacitors. Yes, the same. So this section is starting, then it is turning off, because this IC has digital control. When output is disabled, no voltage on any optocoupler. First we need to check this one. Yes, this is problem. Takes spike 6 volt. this 12 volt line is reaching to this TL431 optocoupler LED 2.1 1.5. This is wrong. One volt. There must be 1 volt drop, not more than 1 volt in one direction. 2.1 volt, that is due to its biasing resistor. It's okay, but this reading is not good. So okay, no short circuit. I think this one is open circuit. We need 817B. Yes, here I have 817B. Yes, one side 1 volt. The second side, that is due to biasing resistors and biasing components, but in one side 1 volt. Okay. But when anode and cathode are connected in this direction, pin 1 red lead, pin 2 black lead, it must be 1 volt. When we are replacing optocoupler, suffix must be selected carefully. A, B, C, that is at the ending number, it defines its CTR value. If we will use A or without A, or we will use C, D, E, F, that will not work properly. Maybe we will face fluctuations in the power supply. If we are using any other number from any other manufacturer except then this number 817, that time CTR must be matched with same CTR values. Open circuit. Yes, its LED is open circuit. The original component is SMD, but I am using a throw hole component. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed until now, subscribe it. And if you are enjoying this video, give a thumb up. For my future videos, you can press bell icon button. I am using IPA, isopropyl alcohol, for cleaning purpose. Let's see its response and then we will proceed to further troubleshooting. Yes, this is the good reading. In one direction it is showing 1 volt. In opposite direction, some higher voltage due to parallel components. DC voltage. Great, we have 12 volts. Now we will check voltage on main capacitor. $360 volts, 367 volts. Its PSU section started normally. Now I will connect load on the output side while connecting series lamp, and we will see its PSU response. Yes, its PSU is working good. This time its control section is working nice. Because when PSU section will monitor voltage, input voltage are dropping, the output will be disabled. Now I will apply direct voltage. Fantastic. Yes. And fan started. Now fan is off. Yes, now fan started. This time fan is off. When I will jumper black and green and start it. So its functions are working good. PG signal 12 volt, that's good. These are 2.6 volt that are to be pulled down. This is digital signal to turn on the fan. Just only this component was making problem. This was the problem. In normal SMPS controllers, if input side is open circuit, the power supply fluctuates. But in this SMPS controller, when there is any fluctuation in the output, it will disable its output. Because it is computer power supply, so fluctuation is not allowed. If you enjoyed this troubleshooting, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.